everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your flashlight on your Android phone. So just about every Android phone you can just swipe down from the top, just like this, and there should be a widget specifically for flashlight. All you have to do is tap this and your flashlight is going to be on. So I'm going to say most of the time it's just going to be one of these front widgets right here, but if it's not, we have to scroll over to the right and we might find it on the second or the third page. Otherwise, we have to go to edit, and we might be able to find it under here, where we can just move it to the top by pressing the plus icon, and then it should be up here, and then we can just drag it to the front page if we want. So another way we can find this is if we go to settings, just type in flashlight, and we can enable it through here. So you can see the flashlight is turned on. So there might be some shortcuts too that you can type in gestures. And depending on your camera, your phone, it can depend on whether or not you're going to have a gesture for this. So I don't have any on my Google Pixel, but sometimes, like on my Motorola, I can shake it twice and it'll turn on my camera. So there could be an option for that under this menu. So just look at it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.